Hello, and welcome to this introduction to TETSE, our new free software that is now available on GitHub. TETSE is a groundbreaking tool designed to push the boundaries of AI, especially where current large language models, or LLMs, fall short. While large language models excel at understanding and generating human language, they often struggle with key aspects of real-world intelligence. We call these the 3 T's: time, truth, and tracking. LLMs find it hard to accurately reason about temporal sequences, verify factual accuracy, and precisely track entities in real time. This is where TETSE comes in. TETSE is a groundbreaking approach that transforms traditional real-time location systems into something far more powerful. We're not just tracking where things are anymore. TETSE elevates RTLS into cognitive substrates for AI reasoning, providing a rich, contextual understanding of events. Instead, we've created a system that understands who did what, when, where. It's about more than just location. It's about the entire causal chain of events. TETSE incorporates AI-powered causal reasoning, allowing it to interpret complex interactions and predict outcomes based on observed data. Crucially, this reasoning remains grounded in verifiable facts. TETSE ensures that AI decisions and insights are always tied to concrete, real-world data, preventing factual inaccuracies. TETSE offers a novel solution to some of the most persistent challenges in AI development, providing a robust framework for understanding and acting upon real-world dynamics. Ready to empower your AI with true causal reasoning? Download TETSE from GitHub today and start building more intelligent, fact-grounded systems.